Hello student, now I am going to explain question number 6 of the 4.5. Somebody asked this question, so that I am going to explain. This is the equation x plus 2y minus 2z equal to minus 5, minus x plus 3y equal to minus 4, minus 2y plus z equal to 4. Now this is the matrix A, this is matrix X, or this is matrix B. If you will expand, then you will get the value of determinant A. This will be, I have got here value of 3 plus 2 minus 4 equal to 1. This is clear. I have got here adjoint of A. Already I have explained how can you get. So I have written here. So this adjoint how can you get? You can get by help of the cofactors. So cofactor of 1, 3. This 3 I have written. Cofactor of this 2, minus 1. Here sign is the negative, so it will be plus. So I have got the cofactor. This is the cofactors of their corresponding element. Then we have got the adjoint A. This is the adjoint A. You have written cofactors of the corresponding element, taking transpose of this, then you are getting adjoint of A. Now, how can you get the unique solution? Just here you see here, determinant of A is not equal to 0. So this system of equation has the unique solution. What will be unique solution? You will see. Ax equal to B, x equal to A inverse B. 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A into B. So 1 upon 1, or this is the adjoint of A, 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, or then what is the B? Minus 5, minus 4 and 4. Now solve, then you can get the value of x, y, z. If you solve, you will get here minus 15, minus 8 plus 24, minus 5, minus 4 plus 8, minus 10, minus 8 plus 20. 1, this will be minus 1, or this will be 2. This is the unique solution of this system of equation. Here x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, or z equal to 2. This is clear. Now you will see the question number 12. This is different type of the questions. Question number 11 is the same type of this question. You can solve. Now question number 12, here without finding adjoint of the matrix, you can get the solution. By help of the cofactor, you will not get adjoint. Directly you will get the A inverse. Just to see this system, question number 12. First you will get AB, 1, minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1 minus 3, 2. Then 11 minus 5, minus 14, minus 1, 2 minus 7 1 6. 1 minus 2 3 1 4 1 1 minus 3 2 11 minus 4 11 minus 5 minus 14 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 7 1 6. Now it is correct. You can get the product of this. So this will be 11, correct? 11 plus 2, 11 plus 2 here 1 into 11 minus 2 into 1 plus 2 or 3 into t, this 3 into minus 7 minus 21. What is value? Minus 9. So minus 9 you write, then you multiply it, minus 5 is minus 5 plus 2 plus 2 minus 3. Minus 5 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 0. It will be 0. Similarly, if you multiply, you will get here, it will be 0. This, if you multiply, you will get the 0 here. This to this. If this to this you will multiply, you will see minus 5, minus 4 or plus 1. Minus 5, minus 4 plus 1. Okay, now see the multiplication. Again, this will not here, this value 1 into 11, 11 plus 2 minus 21. Then it will be 30 minus 21, then it will be minus 8. So minus 8, here it will be 0, here it will be minus 8, 0, 0, 0, minus 8. We will get here. Correct? This will be minus 8 or then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 8 into identity of the third order. This is clear? AB. So, when A and B multiplied, we are getting this value. Now, we'll see the equation. Here equation is given, then we write here matrix A, x minus 2y, sorry, equation is given x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 6. So 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 2, 3, so from second, 1, 4, 1, or from third, 1 minus 3, 2. Then x equal to x, y, z and b equal to what will be here? 6, 12, 1. 6, 12, 1. Again you will check this. 1 minus 2, 3. 1, 4, 1. 1 minus 3, 2. Here 6, 12, 1. How can you solve? By help of this, what is given here. No need to find adjoint. Directly how can you get the inverse without finding the adjoint? Here we are getting A into B equal to 8 into identity. A into B equal to 8 into identity. What was the A? One two. A is matched to A. A is matched to A. कभी कभी क्या होता है B वाला दे देता है, तो तुम्हें यहाँ B कर देना, वहां C कर देना. Here you will find the inverse of A. Inverse of A means A inverse is multiplied on both sides. So A inverse into A B equal to A inverse into 8 into identity. Then this will be identity into B equal to 8 A inverse. This product will be A inverse. So, or this will be B, then or 1 upon 8 A inverse. If you have practice, तुम्हारे करने का तरीका बताया, तो तुम इससे निकाल सकते हो, डायरेक्टली निकाल सकते हो. देखो A इससे मैच कर गया, A इनवर्स चाहिए, हमको इधर आइडेंटिटी चाहिए, तो 1 अपॉन 8b, तो हम लिख सकते हैं 8 इंटू 1 अपॉन 8b इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी. तो दिस इज द इनवर्स ऑफ इट. क्लियर? So inverse of A you have got without finding adjoint. So AX equal to B implies that X equal to A inverse B. So what will be A inverse? So 1 upon 8. If anybody will ask what will be value of determinant A, this will be 8. It is clear? So here B is given, so suppose that it is the C. B already there, B and C will be confused, so we write the C. Ax equal to C, X equal to A inverse C. Or here 1 upon 8b. So 11 minus 5 minus 14 minus 11, minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 7 1 6. Or then B will be here 6 12 1. Now find the product of this. 1 upon 8, or this will be 66 minus 60 or minus 14. So this will be minus 74 or 66. 8 minus 8. Then you will multiply here minus 6 minus 12 plus 2. So minus 16 minus 42 plus 12 or plus 6. So minus 42 plus 18. 18, this will be minus 4 2 minus 24. Then it will be 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Yes, is it clear? Okay, here it will be minus 8. If the previously have taken that minus 8 common, उसको केयर कर लेना. तो minus 8 है, तो this will be minus 8 minus 8 minus 8. Then it will be minus 8. It will be minus 8. It will be 1 2 and 3. So x equal to 1, y equal to 2 or z equal to 3. It is clear? Actual A into B we are getting minus 8 into identity. So in this way you will try to solve the question. This type of question is very important. Several times it was asked in the board examination. Yes, now we'll see how can you solve the homogeneous equation. Just a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, c1z. a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to 0. So a equal to a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. This is it. Or x equal to x, y, z, or b equal to 0, 0, 0. This is known as the homogeneous equation in the three variable. होमोजीनियस का पता तो तुम्हें होगा ही कि देखो हर टर्म पे वेरिएबल का पावर क्या है, इधर 1 1 एंड 1, और उधर क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट है ही नहीं. अगर कांस्टेंट हो जाता, कोई भी एक इक्वेशन में कांस्टेंट दे देता, ये नॉन होमोजीनियस हो जाता है. अब क्या हो गया, होमोजीनियस हो गया. तो फर्स्ट देयर इज द टू केसेस. केस 1, determinant A is not equal to 0, then system of equation has the trivial solution, means x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Not equal to 0, sorry. If system of determinant A is not equal to 0, the system of equation has the trivial solution. Case 2. Case 2, if determinant A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B will be 0, the system of equation has infinite solution. What will be infinite solution? I will explain it. तो एक तो determinant A equal to 0, ये तो होना ही होना, क्योंकि adjoint A into B, इसका adjoint निकालेंगे और B 0 है तो 0 आना ही आना है, necessary हो गया. तो there is the system of equation has the infinite solution. इसमें क्या होगा, trivial solution. Now see the questions. Here question number 13. Question number 13, first part, 5x plus 5y plus 2z equal to 0. 2x plus 5y plus 4z equal to 0. 4x plus 5y plus 2z equal to 0. Five x, 5y, 2z, 2x, 5y, 4z, 4x plus 5y plus 2z. Then you will find later matrix A. 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 4, 4, 5, 2. Or x equal to x, y, z, and b equal to here 0, 0, 0. Correct? You will find determinant of A. 5, 10 minus 20, minus 5, 4, minus 16, 4 minus 16, or plus 2, 10 minus 20. Okay, this will be minus 10, 5 into 5, 50 minus 50, or this will be plus 60 minus 12, or minus into minus 5 plus 60, or this will be minus 20 equal to minus 10, not equal to 0. So system of equation has the trivial solution. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, or z equal to 0. This is the solution of this equation. Clear? Now see homogeneous equation, another type of homogeneous equation in which determinant A equal to 0. Then how can you solve it? Two x minus 3y minus z equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 2z equal to 0. X minus 3y equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 3 minus 2. 1 minus 3. Okay. So A equal to 1 minus 3 minus 1. 1 3 minus 2. 1 minus 3 0. Correct? Or B equal to x y z. Sorry, B. It is x. Now matrix B will be 0 0 0. Now we'll find the determinant of A. So this will be 1 3 minus 6 plus 3, or this will be 0 0 minus 6, or minus plus 3, then 0 plus 2. Correct? 1 minus 1, so this will be minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 and minus 3. This will be minus 6 plus 6 or plus 6. Yes, or see, yes, it will be 2. Here it is 2, so it will be 2. It will be 2, or now it will be minus 12. So minus 12 plus 12 equal to 0. So determinant A equal to 0. So system of equation has infinite solution. So system of equation has infinite solution. Correct? What will be infinite solution? You will see this. Let कोई भी वैल्यू मान लो, एक्स वाई जेड, ये तुम्हारे ऊपर है, बुक में आंसर मत देखना क्या है, उनको जो भी माने, एक्स को मान सकते हो, वाई को मान सकते हो, जेड को मान सकते हो, कुछ भी मान सकते हो। हमने यहाँ ले लिया, चलो एक्स इक्वल टू ही ले लेते हैं, एक्स इक्वल टू के, तो माइनस 3y माइनस जेड इक्वल टू माइनस 2k। यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 3y माइनस 2z प्लस 3y। प्लस 3y माइनस 2z इक्वल टू माइनस के, और माइनस 3y इक्वल टू, जो x और y को सपोज करना ज्यादा आसान है, ठीक है, माइनस 3y इक्वल टू y इक्वल टू माइनस के, करेक्ट। अब क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों इक्वेशन को फिर सॉल्व करेंगे। यहाँ y की वैल्यू है, y की वैल्यू से फिर z की वैल्यू यहां निकल जाएगी। y की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, y इक्वल टू के बाई 3, करेक्ट। और z इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 3 माइनस 3y इक्वल टू माइनस के, यहां पुट कर माइनस 3y की जगह पर माइनस के मैंने पुट कर दिया, माइनस z माइनस 2k, तो माइनस z इक्वल टू माइनस के और z इक्वल टू k। सो दिस इज योर सोल्यूशन, x इक्वल टू k, y इक्वल टू 1/3k और z इक्वल टू k। क्लियर। इसको ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, z इक्वल टू के सपोज करके, ये तो ऐसे आ गया, लेकिन यहां देखो अच्छा है कि हमने इन दोनों में से कोई अननोन है ये यूज कर लिया। अगर अदरवाइज इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप यू आर गेटिंग द इक्वेशन, व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल यूज द अगेन मार्टिन रूल, मॉर्टिन रूल ही करेंगे। तो हमने यहाँ x इक्वल टू के किया था, ऐसे कर लिया। नाउ वी आर सपोजिंग हियर z इक्वल टू के, तब देखो कैसे होता है। लेट z इक्वल टू के, ऐसे भी केस आएंगे। अगर यहां पे z होता तो इसी तरह की केस जाते। तो 2x माइनस 3y इक्वल टू z देन k, x प्लस 3y इक्वल टू 2k और x माइनस 3y इक्वल टू 0। नाउ you solve, you take any two equation, इसमें से दो इक्वेशन लेना होता है, you take any two equation। तो a इक्वल टू 2 माइनस 3 1 3, x इक्वल टू x y और b इक्वल टू k 2k। Clear? Last equation, what value of x and y will come, that will substitute in the third. Satisfied, it means your solution is correct. Now adjoint of a is very easy. This diagonals element will change, 3 2 minus 1 3, और determinant of a 6 plus 3 equal to 9। तो x equal to a inverse b, तो 1 upon determinant a into adjoint a into b, 1 upon 9 adjoint a 3 3 minus 1 2, b k 2k। now multiply and get the solution, 3k plus 6k, this will be 1 upon 9 9k। then it will be minus k plus 4k, 3k. Yes, then it will be 3k, sorry, k, and it will be 1 upon k by 3. So now here x will be y, x and y. So what will be your solution? X equal to k, y equal to k by 3. You will put in the third equation. In equation third, x minus 3y equal to 0. So what is value of x? Equal to k minus 3 into k by 3, cancel, it will be 0. So x equal to k, y equal to k by 3, or z equal to k. Clear? So I have explained all type of question. I suppose you will try to solve the questions. If you are getting any problem, you can ask.